Let's move on to point number 6. Build a network in the IT industry. I'm not talking about building. I'm talking about building a network of people. Being able to build a network of people that will allow you to ask them questions, vulnerable questions. I went in there with my, I would go in, I would set up meetings with them and say, hey, do you mind if I get 30 minutes? There's some technical things I want to understand from a high level. It was like, Edward, you know what I like about you is the fact that if you don't know it, you're not ashamed to come and ask, and you're just like a student. I got to go speak to this, and if I got to go speak to this, I need to know what I'm speaking about because I learned that lesson. This is a lesson message, because what you don't want to happen is you walking in your hallways, you accidentally bump into your CEO or your CIO or your CFO, and they ask you, hey, how's your day going? Because I heard something where the network went down for 5 hours, and then you sitting there like, what? So I'm saying all that to say, family, building a network where you can talk with your peers or talk with even people that are above you, where you can learn from them. Take them to lunch, set up meetings, buy donuts or something simple. Just say, hey, I just want to spend an hour or 30 minutes with you.